Hello everyone. Lo-fi videos are trending everywhere right now. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how you can make your own lo-fi video. No drawing, no animating, just AI tools. Sounds cool, right? Let's get started. First, let's create an image. For a proper lo-fi vibe, a strong visual prompt is super important. Just Google ChatGPT, open the site, and log in using your Google account. Once you're in, type something like create a lo-fi image in lo-fi girl style, showing a young couple sitting on a rooftop. The boy is holding a guitar and the girl is resting her head on his shoulder. It's nighttime and the image should be in 16:9 format. Simple but detailed. I will put this exact prompt in the description. You can copy it from there or you can customize it to match your vibe. And don't forget to add 16:9 because that's important if you want to add it on YouTube. So 16:9 is the YouTube format. Now let's animate the image using Higgsfield. Just search for Higgsfield on Google, open the site and log in using the same Google account. Then search for the static effect and upload your image. In the animation prompt box, just type what kind of animation you want. So I'll just type boy playing guitar, then click on generate. In about a minute, your lo-fi video will be ready. Feels like magic, right? Just be a little patient. Sometimes there is a queue. Now let's give it a final touch in CapCut. CapCut is a free app. Just search it on Google and you can download it. I'm importing the video here and adding a lo-fi music track in the background. I will also add overlay. You can download it from the description. After importing the overlay, change its blend mode to make it look better. If you want a longer video, just duplicate the video to extend it. For this tutorial, I'll keep it short. If you are duplicating it, don't forget to reverse every alternative clip so the motion is smooth. Finally, I'll add keyframes to add a fade-in effect. And the video is ready. You can export it from here. And that's it, your own lo-fi video. No pencil, no animation, just AI power. By the way, I haven't gone deep into each tool. So this is a very high level tutorial about how to create lo-fi animation. But if you like a detailed tutorial about Higgsfield, CapCut, ChatGPT, you can drop it down in the comments down below. Or if you'd like me to create a tutorial on anything else, you can let me know and I will try and make a tutorial on that as well. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. And if you like more tutorials like this, just say the word. Other than that, have a great day and I'll see you guys later.